Hello all. Today we are going to install Python for network programming. So first step, in a Google, type download Python. Okay. So this is the first thing, that we have to download the latest version of Python. For my PC, it is showing 3.9.7. Now, if you are opening this video afterwards, please check that this is another version. But make sure that your operating system, for my condition Windows, if you are using Linux, Mac OS, then please check. Then click on download Python. The file started downloading. Okay. Now open this executable file. If the settings are having only Microsoft Store, please change that setting. That I have changed this setting to warn me before installing the app that's not in Microsoft Store. Okay. So it is having install anyway. Install now. When we are downloading latest version, it is having all big bugs solved. So make sure that whenever you are downloading Python, it should be a latest version, not older one. When it is installing, we can check the website of Python, that when these bugs are resolved, then all the older version are also there. So if you want any older version, you can also download from here. Okay. Okay, now close. I want to check the Python is installed or not. Okay, so for that, open command prompt. In that command prompt, type Python. See, so Python is installed. Okay, now 34 plus 7. Here we can perform all the commands which are available in Python, but we need a notepad for programming, because here we can't store the code and anything else. So first we have to exit from this command prompt. So exit bracket. So now it is going to exit from Python. Now the next thing we have to check, that we have to install all the packages those are required for Python. So command is pip install Flask. So now it's checking all the packages which are required. So everything is installed, successfully installed. Okay. Next step, we have to install the Notepad. Here also download latest. So now 8.1.4 is a latest. Install. So now we will start with Python programming. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like and comment my video. Thank you.